The in aid of legislation part of congressional inquiries is often questioned by critics claiming no laws are enacted after such investigations conclude. The lower house is making sure this isn't the case for its probe on alleged confidential funds misuse, as several measures have already been proposed to prevent such violations from happening. Again, Mela Lesmoras has more.
After 8 hearings conducted by the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability on the alleged fund misuse of the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education under Vice President Sara Duterte, the committee has crafted 2 proposed bills which they formally filed today. First, House Bill number 11192 that aims to regulate the allocation and utilization of confidential and intelligence funds, and House Bill number 11193 which pushes to regulate special disbursing officers in charge of CIFs. According to Good Government Panel Chair Joel Chua, through their hearings, they identified problems in the use of confidential funds. These are to be addressed once the proposed measures they filed are approved.
Mga parusa, bukod siyempre sa mga admin tsaka mga criminal liability, nilalagay din dito na pag ikaw ay mapatunayan na nag-violate dito sa mga batas na to, magkakaroon ka ng perpetual disqualification to hold public office.
Meanwhile, this Thursday, a separate House Quad Committee will continue its hearing on issues related to illegal pogos, illegal drugs, and alleged extrajudicial killings during the previous administration. According to Quadcom lead chair Robert Ace Barbers, they are finalizing a progress report that includes a recommendation to file criminal and administrative cases against some 10 individuals. They are also preparing to file new legislative proposals.
Basta one thing is for sure, these committee hearings of the Quad, totaling a number of 12 hearings, has produced more or less around 15 new legislations, remedial legislations. So, ayan, malaking bagay yun. Kasi maraming nagbabatiko, sinasabi na puro lang kayo hearing, wala naman kayong tinatapos, wala naman kayong reports. Kaya papakita natin, i-report natin sa taong bayan na meron tayong ginagawa.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.